So here is the CR250 frame, fresh out of the powder coat oven. Tried to match the fighting red on the mirror plastics. We're hoping it's close. So Tim's getting ready to get the steering stem pressed into our triple clamps, and then we're gonna get that motor installed in the frame. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. There it is, triples are installed, torque the bearings down. So we decided to strip the factory gold off here and go with the silver look. I think it looks pretty awesome. Just something different on this build. Plus, when you buy a used bike, if any of the coatings are a little bit beat up, this is a good way to hide all that. Pretty much go back to fresh bare metal. We're gonna put our decals on it to protect it, and of course the number plate in the front. So all that's left is we're obviously gonna put the rest of the chassis together. I gotta do some more powder coating on the swing arm, front wheel, and get everything going. Guys, it's time to lay some powder coat on the CR250 parts, so we can swing our wheels and everything else coated up, and we're gonna get them on the bike. There it is, guys. Freshened up, fresh powder coat on the spring. We cleaned up the housing and did a full rebuild kit from bump stop to the internals. Tim just got the bead lock put together, getting those finished up, and we're gonna get them aired up, ready to go on the bike. Here's the front wheel assembly, powder coated gold against the billet hub. Looks super cool. I love the contrast between the billet colors against the powder coat. So it's time to get the rear end on. Here's a handful of parts that we grabbed, getting ready to put on. This is our billet caliper mount with disc guard. This is a TM design chain block that we actually modified to fit our swing arm. CR250R caliper. This is the shock that you guys saw us rebuilt in the last clip. Dual row billet carrier. Anti-fade lock nut. These are the best lock nuts you can get. Went with gold hubs to match the gold theme on the bike. Stainless rear brake line. And of course, a extended axle with our billet sprocket guard. Another thing to take note of, when you guys buy our full trike kit, we include all the OEM Honda clips and pieces that you need. Axle clip, brake stay clip, brake stay bushing. So all that stuff's actually OEM Honda that we include. We do change out the linkage bolt just because our swing arm's a little different. We had to shorten that up. When you buy a +4 axle, they come with adjustable spacers, so you can change the width of the rear end of your bike. Cool guys, let's get to it. We're gonna switch to the time lapse.